In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create graphic organizer gallery items for smart notebook software. First of all, I'm going to select a new page and go to my gallery. Under my gallery, you have a range of folders. The one I'm going to look at is called My Content. My Content enables you to create or insert images that you use regularly during your teaching. If I select My Content and scroll down, I have created a folder called Thinking Tools. What I've done is created a range of thinking tools using the Shape tool and the Line tool, which I can drag from my content across onto my page and then work with students. This one here I've created is a cause and effects. Here's another example. This one is a basic concept map which I would use for kindergarten reception age students. Concept map 2, you can see, is getting more complex because now I've got my 4 categories compared to the 2 in the other concept map. Depending on your year level, I've created this one, which is concept map 3, and again you can see it's become more complicated due to the number of categories. I have also color coded them with a central idea in the middle and then breaking off into different categories of thought. I've also created one, just a simple consequence chart, and again it was simply just using my shape tool and the line tool to create the concept or the graphic organizer. Here's another example, diamond ranking. The fishbone, and you can see by dragging it from the gallery reduces my time in the classroom of having to draw the lines in front of the students. Here's a common one, a flow chart, PMI, and of course basic Venn diagram, whether you have 2 circles or 3 circles. What I'm going to do now is to show you how to create one of these and how to create a folder under My Content. First of all, I'm going to get a new page. I'm going to select the Shape tool. For this one, I'm just going to create a simple Venn diagram. So I'm creating one circle shape first. I'm actually going to clone the shape rather than creating a second one. If I created a second shape, it's quite difficult to get them exactly the same size. Once you've drawn your shapes, you need to right-click, select Properties, and you can choose whichever colour you like. Come to right-click, select Properties, choose a colour. Now you notice now that the purple, as of the second shape, is sitting over the top. If I use the object transparency, you can see I can change the colour of the circle so I can see my original circle shape underneath. Once you have drawn your shapes and or lines, you need to group them, which is a click, hold and drag. You can see here that I have 2 green circles. This means that I have 2 objects which I'm going to group or stick together. Select the drop-down menu and select Group. Now, as I move them, you can see that my shapes are stuck together. They have been grouped. The next thing you need to do is go to the gallery, My Content, select the drop-down menu and create a new folder. Once you have created your new folder, it's simply a matter of click, hold and drag your object to the gallery and release. And you see it's automatically inserted as a gallery item under My Content. If I go to a new page, I can drag across the graphic organizer that I have created and it's there for me to use. What I've also done, if you'd like to use the graphic organisers which I have created, If you go to the website, here it's a free download and you can download the graphic organisers as a collection file. Now after you've downloaded it and you open the document, you will see a blank page like this, and you may be wondering where are all the thinking tools which I've just downloaded. A gallery collection item will automatically be sent to My Content. So if you go to My Content on your computer after downloading the gallery collection item, select the drop down menu and you will find a folder called Thinking Tools, and the thinking tools which were shown throughout this tutorial will be there for you just to simply drag across and use within your classroom.